100 GK questions for Class 3 with answers. Below is a categorized list of 100 GK questions for Class 3 with answers that include current affairs, science, geography, sports and more. 1. General awareness. Who is the Prime Minister of India? A. Narendra Modi. 2. What is the capital of India? A. New Delhi. 3. Who is known as the father of the nation? A. Mahatma Gandhi. 4. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Diwali. 5. How many states are there in India? A. 28 states. 6. Which is the national animal of India? A. Tiger. 7. Which is the national bird of India? A. Peacock. 8. Which is the national flower of India? A. Lotus. 9. Who is the President of India as of 2025? A. Draupadi Murmu. 10. What currency is used in India? A. Indian rupee. 11. What is the national tree of India? A. Banyan tree. 12. What is the capital of Maharashtra? A. Mumbai. 13. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? A. Camel. 14. Which month has 28 or 29 days? A. February. 15. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Goa. 16. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 17. Which is the national sport of India? A. Hockey. 18. What do you call a person who flies an airplane? A. Pilot. 19. What does a doctor use to listen to our heartbeat? A. Stethoscope. 20. What is the national anthem of India? A. Jana Gana Mana. 21. Which is the largest continent? A. Asia. 22. What is the capital of the USA? A. Washington, D.C. 23. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile River. 24. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Pacific Ocean. 25. Where is the Taj Mahal located? A. Agra. 26. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. Japan. 27. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Everest. 28. Which planet do we live on? A. Earth. 29. Which country is famous for kangaroos? A. Australia. 30. What is the capital of England? A. London. 31. Which country has the most people? A. China. 32. Which Indian state is famous for tea gardens? A. Assam. 33. Which city is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur. 34. What is the capital of West Bengal? A. Kolkata. 35. Which desert is the largest in the world? A. Sahara Desert. 36. What do we breathe in to live? A. Oxygen. 37. Which part of the plant is green and makes food? A. Leaf. 38. Which gas do plants take in? A. Carbon dioxide. 39. How many legs do spiders have? A. 8. 40. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. 41. How many bones are there in the human body? A. 206 bones. 42. What is the boiling point of water? A. 100 degrees Celsius. 43. Which organ pumps blood? A. Heart. 44. Which insect makes honey? A. Bee. 45. Which sense organ helps us hear? A. Ears. 46. What do cows give us? A. Milk. 47. Which star shines during the day? A. Sun. 48. What do we call animals that eat only plants? A. Herbivores. 49. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. 50. Which organ helps us to breathe? A. Lungs. 51. Math and numbers. What is 10 guna 10? A. 100. 52. What is half of 100? A. 50. 53. How many sides does a triangle have? A. 3. 54. What is the value of 5 joड़ 7? A. 12. 55. How many hours are there in a day? A. 24. 56. What shape has no corners and one curved side? A. Circle. 57. Which number comes after 99? A. 100. 58. How many tens are there in 100? A. 10. 59. What is the Roman numeral for 10? A. X. 60. How many zeros are there in 1000? A. 3. Except. Who is called the god of cricket? A. Sachin Tendulkar. 62. How many players are there in a football team? A. 11 players. 63. In which game do we use a bat and ball? A. Cricket. 64. Where are the Olympics held every 4 years? A. Different countries. 65. Which sport uses rackets and a shuttlecock? A. Badminton. 66. What is the color of the tennis ball? A. Yellow. 67. Which game is known as the king of sports? A. Soccer. Football. 68. In which country did chess originate? A. India. 69. What is the national game of India? A. Hockey. 70. Who is a famous Indian female boxer? A. Mary Kom. 71. Who is Mickey Mouse's friend? A. Donald Duck. 72. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? A. J.K. Rowling. 73. What is the name of the monkey in Jungle Book? A. King Louis. 74. Which bird repeats human speech? A. Parrot. 75. What is the favorite food of Winnie the Pooh? A. Honey. 76. Which festival is celebrated with colors? A. Holi. 77. What is the name of the superhero who wears a bat costume? A. Batman. 78. Which Disney princess has long magical hair? A. Rapunzel. 79. Who is the famous Indian singer known as the Nightingale of India? A. Lata Mangeshkar. 79. What is the Indian festival of lights? A. Diwali. 80. What are the 5 vowels in English? A. I, O, U. 81. What is a group of lines in a poem called? A. Stanza. 82. What do we call a word opposite in meaning? A. Antonym. 83. Who wrote the Ramayana? A. Valmiki. 84. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? A. 26. 85. Which letter comes after M? A. N. 86. What do we call a word with the same sound but different meanings? A. Homonym. 87. Which story character had a nose that grew when he lied? A. Pinocchio. 88. What is the plural of child? A. Children. 89. What is the first word in a dictionary? A. Aardvark. 90. School and daily life. Who teaches students in school? A. Teacher. 91. What do we write with? A. Pen or pencil. 92. What color is a typical school bus? A. Yellow. 93. What is the first meal of the day? A. Breakfast. 94. What do we wear to school? A. Uniform. 95. Which day comes after Friday? A. Saturday. 96. How many days are there in a week? A. 7. 97. How many months are there in a year? A. 12. 98. Which day is celebrated as Children's Day in India? A. 14 November. 99. What do we use to measure time? A. Clock.